Now, when it comes to installing applications, there are a couple of different ways that you can do this. You could install an application from a CD or DVD media, or even a file that you downloaded from the internet. But regardless of the source, the installation files that you install, all programs must run an executable program, and most of them are called setup.exe. I've gone ahead and downloaded an application, and it's in my Downloads folder, and this is the Windows Messenger application. I'm going to go ahead and go through the process of installing Windows Messenger just so I can show you the steps that you need to take as you're installing applications. So I'll double-click on the wlsetup.exe. It's going to prompt me, do I want to follow the following program to make changes to this computer? This is called User Account Control, and we were introduced to this with Windows Vista. Now, by default, User Account Control is turned on. There is a way to turn it off, but for right now I'm going to leave it on, and a little bit later on the course, we'll get into User Account Control in a little bit more detail. It adds some security functionality to your machine that you're going to want to understand before you decide to turn it off. So we'll go ahead and click Yes. And now we're presented with the installation application for the Windows Live Messenger. Most programs, when we install them, they present us with some type of a user interface that allows us to make settings or changes based on how we want this application to install. What location do we want to store the application in? What other features do we want to install along with it? For right now, I'm just going to go ahead and choose Messenger. Notice here on Messenger it tells me that I'm going to need 67 megabytes, and I currently have 107 gigabytes available to install. Most applications are also going to show you this information as well. It's going to also let me know that it's installing with this program a couple of other applications that are necessary in order to make Messenger work. Let's go ahead and click Install, and this is the process of installation. Usually it's not very intrusive. It's a really easy process, but it does take time. So let the program install, and then when it finishes, we'll come back and we'll see what we've done.